So yesterday we have seen one scenario in the advance payments from customers when the invoice is more than advance. Today we will see the other scenario when the advance is more than the invoice amount. So let us post one advance first. Posting of advance received, F-29. Document date is 8/3/2023. Type is DZ. Company code SSKH. Posting date 8/3/2023. Period 12. Currency INR. Customer 4001. Special GL indicator A. Under bank account is 2,101,000. Business area SSKH. Amount is 60,000. Text to be in advance received. Click on enter. Our company code is SSKH, right?
Yes.
Okay. So it is 8706. Customer 8706. Click on enter. Amount is asterisk. Business area SSKH. Text plus. Click on save. So you posted advance receipt of 60,000. Then posting of sales invoice. Here scenario is invoice amount is less than the advance amount, right? Document date is 8/3/2023. Type is DR. Company code SSKH. Posting date 8/3/2023. Period 12. Currency INR. Posting key 01. Account is 8706. Click on enter. Amount is 50,000. Business area SSKH. Payment terms 0001. Baseline date 8/3/2023. Text to be in goods sold. Posting key 50. Account is 3 lakhs. Click on enter. Amount is asterisk. Business area SSKH. Text plus. Click on save. Then transfer of advance to sales invoice. F-39. Document date is 8/3/2023. Type is DA. company code SSKH, posting date 8/3/2023, period 12, currency INR, account 8706, customer account, invoice reference 6,07,000, text being advance transfer invoice, text being advance transfer invoice, no, we are doing invoice amount is less than the advance amount. Sri Lanka, the scenario is advance amount is more than invoice amount, means invoice is less than the advance amount.
Okay, sir.
Text being advance transfer invoice. Click on process down payments. Transfer
50,000.
50,000. Transfer posting 50,000. And write down there. When the invoice is less than advance amount, when the invoice is less than the advance amount, then we transfer only that much of advance amount. Then we transfer only that much of advance amount equal to invoice amount. Equal to invoice amount. Then it will be shown as credit to open item. Then it will be shown as credit to open item in the customer line item display. In the customer line item display. And it is also equal to and it is also equal to debit to open item within brackets invoice amount. Now then, full stop. Then we can clear them in F-32. And the remaining amount of advance will be adjusted against the future invoices. Against the future invoices. Click on save. Now look at the screen. Let us go to FBL5N. See, there is two open items. First one is invoice, right? Document FDR. And the next line item is DA, means advance transfer to invoice, right? So both are equal. One is debit, one is credit. So whenever the sum of the debit to open items is equal to sum of the credit to open item, we can clear them. That is the next step. Clearing of advance against invoice, F-32. Document date is 8/3/2023. Type is DR. Company code SSKH. Posting date 8/3/2023.
Sir, you are in transaction code F-22.
Oh,
And we
sorry.
have to do in F-32, right?
Sorry. Yeah, my mind is something else. I'm sorry. Account is 8706. F-32. Account is 8706. Click on process open items. Double click on both the line items. Click on save. Now, display customer line items, FBL51. Customer account is 8706. Company code SSKH. Select to open items. Opened key date 8/3/2023. Under type, select to special GL transactions. Layout is one SAP. Click on execute. See, actually, we have received an advance of 60,000 and we transferred invoice to 50,000. We transferred invoice 50,000. So still 10,000 advance remains there. So this 10,000 advance can be adjusted in the future invoices. Now you write one sentence there. Click on back arrow. Click on back arrow. Select to normal items. Click on execute. See, under the normal items, there is no items. Means there is no any invoices pending. Now, one-time customers. One-time customers. So it is similar to one-time vendors in accounts payable. These are the customers to whom we sell the goods very rarely. Example, customers to whom we sell fixed assets. See, there are some customers, right, who very now and then purchase the goods from us, even the normal trading goods also, right? These are the customers who purchase the goods from us very now and then. They are called one-time customers. And sometimes, right, some fixed assets like vehicles, furnitures, office equipment, etc., they have some expected life. After that expected life, right, these assets may not be that much effectively used, right? In that case, we sell those fixed assets, and in those places, we purchase the new assets, right? And the customers are the parties to whom you sell your fixed assets are also called one-time customers. As usual, again, for the one-time customers, right, you don't maintain any master records because master record means it is stored in the database permanently. But these customers don't deal with us regularly, right? That's why for the one-time customers, we don't maintain any master record. But instead of maintaining the master record for all the one-time customers, you maintain only one customer master record with the name one-time customers. When we sell the goods to any one-time customers, right, that is posted to one-time customer account only. At the time of posting to one-time customer, the system will ask us to maintain the master data, right? And for the one-time customer account, the sort key should be either 022 or 023. 022 means one-time name and city. 023 means one-time city and name. So we have to maintain the separate account group and separate number ranges for one-time customers. So creation of one-time customer account groups. Path is SPRO. Financial accounting. accounts receivables and accounts payable, customer accounts, master data, preparations for creating customer master data, define account groups with screen layout customers. Click on new entries, account group SSK2, account group SSK2, meaning or name is equal to one-time customers, for SSKH, one-time customers for SSKH, select a one-time account. See, remember, these one-time customers are also called walk-in customers. Walk-in customers, right? Or one-time customers. So one-time account. Select a one-time account. So this is selected only for one-time customer group. Then double click on company code data. Double click on account management. Select reconciliation account as required entry. Select reconciliation account as required entry. Click on save. Then creation of number ranges for customer accounts. Within brackets, one-time customer group. Within brackets, one-time customer group. Path is same as above. Click on change intervals. Sorry. Here, #1 is not there, right? So I'm going to use #1. Then go to menu interval, free intervals, right? 1888712, 18875, 1887172, 18871 to 18875. Okay. So click on insert line. Number is equal to #1 from number 18871 to 18875. Click on save. Then assign number ranges to customer account groups. Within brackets, one-time customer account group. One-time customer account group. Click on position. Account group is equal to SSK2. Click on enter. Number range /1. Click on save. Then creation of one-time customer account. Creation of one-time customer account, XD01. Account group is equal to SSK2. Account group is equal to SSK2. Company code SSKH. This is as usual, creation of customer master record. Click on enter. Title is equal to company. Name is equal to SSKH. One-time customer account. SSKH, one-time customer account. Country is equal to IN. Click on company code data. Reconciliation account 2,125,000. Sort key 031. I'm sorry, 022. Sort key is equal to 022. Within brackets, one time name and city. One time name and city. That is in this account, the line items are maintained. The line items are maintained as per the name of the one-time customer, as per the name of the one-time customer and his city. Cash minus WIP is equal to A1. Click on Payment Transactions tab. Terms of payment 0001. Click on Save. See, customer 18871 has been created for the company code SSKH. Now, let us assume that we sold some goods to XN company for whom, right, we are not maintaining any master record because he is a one-time customer, right? So, posting of sales invoice. You strike off the word purchase. F-22. Document date is 8/3/2023. Type is DR. Company code SSKH. Posting date 8/3/2023. Period 12. Currency INR. Posting key 01. Account is 18871. Within brackets, one-time customer account. Within brackets, one-time customer account. Now it is asking us to enter the master data. Name is equal to XN company. City is equal to Chennai. Country is equal to IN. Country is equal to IN. Click on enter. Just give me 1 minute. Yes, I am back. The amount is equal to 10,000. Business area, SSKH. Payment terms 0001. Baseline date 8/3/2023. Text being goods sold to X&N Company. Text being goods sold to X&N Company. Posting key 50. The account is 3 lakhs. Click on enter. The amount is asterisk. Business area SSKH. Text plus. Click on sell. So let us post one more invoice to another one-time customer. It is not there in the material. Just for your clarity purpose, I am posting. Document date is 8/3/2023. Type is DR. Company code SSKH. Posting date 8/3/2023. Period 12. Currency INR. Posting key 01. Account is 18871. Click on enter. Name is equal to Y&N Company. City Mumbai. Country IN. Click on enter. The amount is 15,000. Business area SSKH. Payment terms 0001. Baseline date 8/3/2023. Text being goods sold to Y&N Company. Posting key 50. The account is 3 lakhs. Click on enter. The amount is asterisk. Business area SSKH. Text plus. Click on save. Now, check customer line item display, FBL5N. Within brackets, one-time customer account. One-time customer account. Customer account is 18871. Company code SSKH. Select to open items. Opened key date 8/3/2023. Layout is 1 SAP. Click on execute. See here, 10,000 is the open item, and this amount of 10,000 is to be received from the customer X&N Company Chennai. 15,000 is to be received from the customer Y and Company Chennai. See, these line items are displayed on the basis of customer name and city, right? Because for this one-time customer, right? For this one-time customer, we have given the sort key 022, right? Then observe the document status, right? After that, please write down. Observe that the line items are displayed. Observe that the line items are displayed. On the basis of one-time, on the basis of one-time customer name and city. On the basis of one-time name and city. Because we have given the sort key 022. We have given the sort key 022 for the one-time customer account. For the one-time customer account. Okay, now let us assume that we have received 10,000 from X and Company. So posting of incoming payment, F-28. Document date is 8/3/2023. Type is DZ. Company code SSKH. Company code SSKH. Posting date 8/3/2023. Period 12. Currency INR. Under bank data, account is 2,01,001. Business area SSKH. Business area SSKH. The amount is equal to 10,000. Text being payment received from customer. Text being payment received from customer. Just a minute. Yeah. Under open selection, account is 18871. Account is 18871. Click on process open items. Click on process open items. Keep the cursor on amount entered. Double click on invoice amount. Click on save. Now, display one-time customer account line items. FBL51. Customer account is 18871. Company code SSKH. Select to open items. Opened key date 8/3/2023. Layout is one SAP. Click on execute. See, there is only one open item which is to be received from YN Company Mumbai. Now, configuration for cash discount paid. In the case of accounts payable, when you make the payment to vendor within a stipulated time, we get the cash discount. That is called cash discount received, right? In the case of customers also, when the customer makes the payment within the stipulated time, they will give us some cash discount. That is called cash discount paid. So we have to display cash discount received and cash discount paid separately in the P&L account, right? So how to process for the cash discount paid? We have created one payment terms in accounts payable with the discount terms, right? Let us go to OBB8. In OBB8, created on payment terms. Oh, okay. I think I sent the recording from another batch, right? So let us create the payment terms. See, payment terms SSKH, sales text, 20 days 3%, then percentage 3, number of days 20, percentage 2, number of days 30, 45. Click on save. Here, we have created these payment terms, right? 20 days 3%, 30 days 2%, 45 days unit, right? Means here, if you make the payment in 20 days, we'll get a cash discount of 3%. If you make the payment in 30 days, right, we get a cash discount of 2% in the case of accounts payable. And also here we have selected customer and vendor, right? So these payment terms can be used both for customers and vendors. In the case of customers, if a customer makes the payment in 20 days, we will give him a cash discount of 3%. If the customer makes the payment in 30 days, right, we will give him a cash discount of 2%. If the customer makes the payment in 45 days, we don't give any cash discount. Similarly, in the case of vendors, if we make the payment to vendor in 20 days, he will give us 3%. If you make the payment to vendor in 30 days, he will give us only 2%. And if he makes the payment in 45 days, he will not give any cash discount. Here, we have selected account type, vendor and customer, right? So the same payment terms can be used both for customers and vendors. So it is not necessary to create the payment terms again. Creation of GL account, cash discount paid. FS00. GL account is equal to 4,370,000. Company code is equal to SSKH. Go to menu GL account create. The account group is administration cost. Select P&L statement account. Short text is equal to cash discount paid account. Short text is equal to cash discount paid account. GL account long text is also cash discount paid account. Go to control data tab. Account currency INR. Select only balances in local currency. Select line item display. Sort key 001. Then go to create bank interest tab. Field status group G001. Click on save. Then assign GL account cash discount paid for automatic postings. Transaction code OBXI. Chart of accounts SSKH. Chart of accounts SSKH. Click on enter. See, transaction SKT means cash discount expenses. Click on save. Account is 4,370,000. Click on save and enter. Now, remaining things we will see in tomorrow's class. Any questions?
So, sir, just one question is that for this customer, one-time customer, so we create one particular central data, right? Master data, and all the customers are aligned, one time to that central data, right? While posting an
Yes.
invoice.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.